As of Friday at 4:30, when the governor failed to act, I called upon this public servant who has dedicated his career to public service to help our 10th Judicial District by standing as District Attorney General Pro Tem. I don't know whether this designation is for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. It is until the governor of the state of Tennessee acts. He has agreed to accept this appointment, and so now I'd like to give you this oath of office. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear that you will perform with fidelity the duties of the office of the District Attorney General of the 10th Judicial District of the state of Tennessee, to which you have been duly designated and which you are about to assume? Do you further solemnly swear that you will support the Constitution of the state of Tennessee and the Constitution of the United States, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. General, is there anything that you feel you would like to say at this point?
Your Honor, the first thing I should say is I am deeply humbled by the confidence the judiciary has shown in me to ask me to do this. As Your Honor knows, this is not anything I sought, and I was enjoying retirement quite wonderfully. But those who have known me for a long time know that I had no desire to be a DA when I was a young lawyer. And there were a series of circumstances that led me on that path. I think it's important for people who have known me for a long time to know that unlike my previous oaths when I've been sworn in, I do not come to this job with an agenda like cleaning up elections or establishing drug task forces or victim centers or anything like that. People before me have ensured that those are lasting institutions that serve the people. So I come with no agenda, except that I intend to uphold the principles that I've always held. I have full confidence in General Crump and the wonderful staff that he has assembled. So I don't anticipate coming in and making any changes, but I do anticipate working with these fine group of folks to make sure that business is carried on for the courts and that the trains run on time and that we have a partnership with the defense bar, law enforcement, clerks, the victims groups, and doing everything that we can to make sure that justice is served for victims and the accused. So I hope everybody hears that and they understand how I'm going to approach this, and we are at your beck and call, Your Honor, if there's anything that we can do to be of service.
Thank you, Mr. Estes. By virtue of this designation, because all of the assistant district attorneys derive their power from the district attorney general, those that are serving as assistant district attorneys now need to be resworn. So could I have the attorneys in mass come before me? So, General Taylor, is everybody present from the Bradley County, McMinn County, Monroe County, and Polk County offices that are to be sworn?
All but one, yes.
Who is absent?
Matt Stowe.
And have you heard word from him?
No, I have not.
All right. And has everyone else executed this oath of office?
They have, Your Honor.
All right. I have before me these various oaths. I would ask you each to raise your right hand. I see hands raised. Do each of you, having been appointed Assistant District Attorney General to the District Attorney for the 10th Judicial District of the state of Tennessee, comprising the counties of Bradley, McMinn, Monroe, and Polk, said appointment having been made by Jerry N. Estes, the duly designated and serving District Attorney General pro tempore of the aforesaid Judicial District of the state of Tennessee, make oath and swear that you will perform with fidelity the duties of the office to which you have been appointed and which you are about to assume, and that you will support the Constitution of the state of Tennessee and the Constitution of the United States. Do you? Thank you all. I will sign each of these oaths of office. It's to each of you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. The investigators for the district attorney's office, please come forward.